Hi and welcome to another product demo from FordFix.com. Today we're going to be showing you our 13 to 17 plate Fiesta bladed key programmer. We're going to be adding a key to this 17 plate Fiesta. It's an ST line Fiesta and it's only got one working remote key at the moment. And we're just going to be adding a fixed blade key into this one. A bit noisy in this workshop, so we'll jump in the car. Like I say, it's got one working remote key which locks and unlocks the car. And if we pop that in the ignition, just pop that one in there. Dash lights up as normal. Nothing on the centre console. That's actually looking for phones. And if I just put the clutch down, starts the car fine. Now we're going to be adding this little fixed blade key that we've cut. Put the correct transponder in, pop that in the ignition, turn it on, and it will say behind that message, close that. Says key not detected, and that obviously, we try and crank the car with that one, doesn't do anything. Right, we'll leave that one in because that's the one we're programming. First things first, standard FordFix programmer. We'll check how many keys are programmed, all the dips down. As with all the other Fiestas, get it to focus. It's the OBD ports behind this little panel here. We'll just plug that in. Have a seat. There's a little flash and a flash. Currently got 2 keys programmed. There we go. And what we'll do is, the key we want to program is already in. Add switch 4 up. Again, get it to focus, but you can see that one. Pop that one in. Into key add mode. The dashboard will reset. And it'll just sit like that while the programmer logs in. It's actually gathering some data at the moment. So once that's got that data, it'll reset the dashboard, which will come back out, and it'll go into diagnostics mode. You see there. And what it'll do is it'll wait to log back in. All in all, takes about 30 or 40 seconds, and then it'll count the number of program keys, which we should hopefully see as 3. Does take a short while. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Drops out of diagnostics mode. We'll take the programmer out now. If we just cycle the ignition, so off with the little fixed blade key, back on, is no key found messages on the dash. If you just drop the clutch, now starts the car. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next one.